Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and very delicious pan fried fish. Pan fried fish is much better than deep frying fish. I'm going to use fresh wild rockfish fillet. As for the spices, I'm going to use from my masala dabba, and I'm going to share with you other ingredients, and let's get started. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take the fish, I'm going to wash with the cold water. Rockfish washed with the cold water and cut into good size of pieces so that they can fit nicely into our pan. Maida, which is all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons, parsley flake, cumin powder, black pepper, salt, degi mirt, red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon each. 2 eggs beaten nicely. All the dry ingredients, we're going to mix them. So with the help of fork, just going to make sure that they are nicely combined. Once it's nicely combined, we're going to spread it in the plate. These are breadcrumbs and I make it my own at home. I use the wheat bread and you can use white bread, and then the breadcrumb will be white in color. And as you can see, these are in dark color. So I put it into toaster, and once they are nicely crunchy, then I took it out and put it into my ultimate chopper. If you look at now, it's nice and warm. So we're going to spread it so it can cool down a little bit. So first step will be the coating of flour with the spices. We're going to give an egg wash, then the breadcrumb. So we're going to take one piece. Even on the sides. If the pieces are too thin, then it's okay, but if it's too thick, then on the side, tap it like this. Nice coating on this side as well. Now I'm going to give egg wash. As for the egg wash, just one time, put it in, then we take it out and put it on the other side. And this is a perfect coating. Then this excess, we're going to shake it, then we're going to put it in breadcrumb. Once you put it in breadcrumb, the same thing. You can put the breadcrumb on top like this. It's going to give really nice coating of breadcrumb. Look at how delicious looking. Finish it and then I'll place it in plate. So if you look at, that's how it looks. So I'm going to keep continuing doing the same, and I'll show you one more. Get a piece, we're going to place it, all the flour coating. Then we're going to turn it around this way, and this is the tip I'm going to share. If the piece is thick, then put it on the side just like that. So once it's nicely coated, this is looking perfect, and now we're going to place it in egg, and we're going to take it out and turn it around. This is perfect, and now we're going to take out the extra, place it in the breadcrumb, turn around. So as you can see, this is the first piece and this will be the second piece. I'll finish up rest of the fish pieces. Get a fry pan and we're going to start gas. We're going to keep gas on medium. I'm going to use olive oil, and you can use any vegetable oil. We just need like a 1 teaspoon. On medium gas, we're going to lay out the fish pieces. So we're going to place it. It's a good idea to use a non-stick when you're pan frying the fish. So now we're going to cook 3 minutes on this side, then we're going to turn them over. We're going to cook 2 minutes on this side. After 2 minutes, we're going to turn it over for 1 more minute. Within 5 to 6 minutes, it will be nicely cooked. Cooking for 3 minutes. I'm going to turn the pieces over. This is all they are turning on. Now we're going to cook on this side for 2 minutes. 2 minutes cooking on this side. Now we're going to turn them over. And we're going to give 1 more minute. Cooking for half a minute on this side. I'm going to turn half a minute on this side. Then we're going to pick it up. So all together, we cooked it for 6 minutes. It's all done. I'll take it out and plate. Have my plate ready. Make sure that the bottom is coated. Now we're going to place the fish pieces. And we're going to cook 3 minutes on this side, 2 minutes on the other side, then half minute or 1 minute. So altogether 5 to 6 minutes. The second batch is ready also. They are little sweet looking. They're all done. I'm going to take them out. Now we're going to start the new batch. So I'll share with you. Pan-fried rockfish is all ready. Please try it and serve with the hot chili sauce. It's very tasty and very delicious. And please comment below how it turned out for you. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.